Janelle.
And Jim, we all know that Philabundance is working hard to meet the need for people in need of food in the community now more than ever. So this morning we wanted to check in to see how donations are going and how people at home may be able to help those who are in need of help at this time. So joining us live this morning is Samantha Redemar with Philabundance. Samantha, good morning. It's so good to have you with us.
Good morning. Thank you guys so much for having me. Really appreciate it.
And so, Samantha, so many people are dealing with a lot of issues right now, job loss, food insecurity. Tell us what your numbers look like in terms of what you typically see and what you're seeing now during this pandemic.
For sure. So typically, Philabundance helps about 90,000 people a week struggling with hunger. This is prior to COVID-19. About 30% of whom we serve are children and 16% were seniors. This is such a moving target that we don't have solid numbers as of yet, but our agency network, we have over 350 agencies across 9 counties. They're reporting seeing 10, 20, even 50 plus new clients. We're seeing about an increase of 30 to 50% clients as well, just across the board and across the country, many food banks are. And so the increased need is definitely happening, not just in Philadelphia and the surrounding counties, but around the country.
And there are a lot of people who may never have had to reach out for food before in terms of getting help and feeding their families. If you are in need of food right now, where should you start?
Well, first things first, everything is about research and making sure in the age of COVID that you are taking care of yourself and your family while social distancing and abiding by CDC guidelines. And so before embarking on a journey to go to a food bank or to a food pantry, we ask people, if you're in Philadelphia County, you can call 311 to find food resources near you that are open and possibly other resources for you and your family. If you go to whyhunger.org, you can just input your zip code and you'll find a plethora of resources around your free food and resources as well. And auntbertha.com. They all have very similar types of flow. You input your zip code and then an abundance of resources come up. We always recommend calling an agency or calling a pantry beforehand, just in case they may be closed due to COVID. Since COVID has happened, about 70 Philabundance pantries have had to close their doors because they were run by volunteers or the elderly. And so keeping track of what agencies are closed or open has also been a moving target. So just making sure you call an agency before you step out of your house, make sure you're wearing a mask and making sure that whatever you need, you voice those opinions and voice what those needs, because we understand it's kind of scary to ask for help sometimes. But right now, we're here to help, and we understand that there is a need. There's no judgment. It's just a hand up, not a hand out.
Absolutely. So many people relying on you right now. How are you guys in terms of donations at this point?
So right now, we've been so lucky that the outpouring of support we've received from the Philadelphia area, we've really seen that this is the city of brotherly love and sisterly affection. We've gotten donations from Zach and Julie Ertz, from Giant. We had the cast of It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia did a GoFundMe campaign for us, and they matched those donations. And so we've had big supporters. We've also had small supporters. We've had a woman who wrote into us saying, hey, can you send me an envelope? I am blind and you guys actually helped me when I first went blind, and now I'm in the position to help you guys out and I want to send some money. And so we've had big donations, small donations. They're all amazing and allow us to purchase more food and purchase the items that clients actually need and buy them in bulk. Right now, our biggest need is still donations because the cost of food has actually gone up 20 to 30% due to COVID. And so certain items are having wait times of like 6 weeks, and it's really hard and really struggling just because other food banks and other other grocery stores and restaurants are in need of food, but there's such a kink in the supply chain right now that all we can really do is wait for donations to purchase this food, and when it becomes available, we get it and put it out into the community.
And all of those donations, so important right now. Philabundance helping feed this community in this time of need. Samantha, thank you so much for your time. We appreciate it.
Oh, my pleasure. You guys stay safe.
You too. Thank you.